This is the unboxing of the Uniqlo washable face mask. They have 3 different kinds of color, which are white, black and light gray. They also have 3 different sizes in small, large and medium. This is the large size in light gray color. It costs around £10 at Uniqlo in London, Regent Street. And the features of these masks is that they have 3 layers. They are washable, cool to the touch and smooth to the skin. And it says it blocks 99% of bacteria. So let's unpack this Airism mask. For almost £10 you will get 3 masks of the same size and color in one pack. The packaging is a kind of paper, and I believe you can zip it close again, so you can use the packaging multiple times. On the back it says that you should wash with regular laundry detergent without bleach in a mesh bag. The mask may be used multiple times. Use with care if you are allergic to synthetic fibers. So I believe these are not cotton, instead they are synthetic. And the size is 23 × 14.5 centimeters. And it's made in Vietnam. And the materials used for this mask, the body is out of 90% nylon, 10% spandex, and the string is 75% polyester, 13% spandex, 12% cupro, and the filter is called polypropylene. So let's unbox this packaging. There are 3 masks inside. This is the light gray version in large size, but it doesn't look too big. So there's no logo, and there's also no sign of up and downs, and the material is soft, but it's not cotton, so in case you are not comfortable with synthetic materials to your skin, you may want to get a different one. But this one seems alright. Let's try it on. So this is how it looks like. This is the large size, and I'm glad I got the large size and not the medium, although I don't have such a large face, but the large size just fits me just right. So anything smaller than the large size would be too small. So this is how it looks like. It covers most of your face and nose, and it's fairly comfortable to wear, and I also can breathe quite well through it. It's another question if you will be doing sports outside, like on the cycle or running. It may be a bit more difficult, but in normal circumstances it lets you breathe through quite well, and also for talking it's fairly comfortable, so it doesn't stick to your mouth when you are talking. The bands are fairly comfortable. The size is just perfect, so the large size will fit average faced persons. The medium is probably for smaller faces, and the small is for children. So this was the review and unboxing of the Uniqlo face mask, and thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if you haven't so. See you in the next one.